Hi, I'm back. We're back for graphing linear functions in the general form. It's the same thing. So you shouldn't be stressed about this is general form, this is graphing form, this is whatever form. The key idea of graphing a linear function is locating 2 points and joining them together. That's literally the whole point, like the key idea. If you can locate 2 points, you can graph a linear function. Fully graph a linear function. We locate 2 points. And what are the two easiest points to locate? The x and y intercepts, isn't it? So when we find the x-intercept, we set the y value to 0. So for the first one, becomes 2x plus 0 is 3. 2x equals to 3. X equals to 3 on 2. That's the x-intercept for the first equation, first function. So we put something here. Right? And then once it's y-intercept, we set the x value to 0, don't we? So it becomes 0 plus y equals to 3. It just becomes y equals to 3. It becomes 2 times 0 is still 0. Isn't it? So it should be something here, and then you join them together. You see that? Let's join them together. And then after this, use a different color pen. And then we find the x and y intercept for the second function. So we set that for the x intercept, we set the y value to 0, so it becomes 3x plus 0 equals to 1, 3x equals to 1, x equals to that. Means somewhere there. See? And then after this, we will move on to the y-intercept. When we set the x value to 0, so it becomes 0 plus 2y equals to 1. 2y equals to 1, y equals to half. So it should be somewhere around there. Wind up. We can see that this is a simultaneous equation. That means whatever the intersection it has on the graph is its x and y coordinate, it's a solution. And this is not drawn to scale. If it's drawn to scale, you can read directly from the graph what the solution, what answers are. But I will just tell you, the solution to this one is actually the intersection one is 5, -7. So let me just double check that. Yeah, 5, -7. See, it's pretty accurate. It's pretty accurate. This is 5, this is I think 7. So basically, when x equals to 5, y equals to -7 is a solution. So when graphically, and of course, you can solve it by using technology. If it's in general form, I might recommend you to use this one. See? The equation function, and you press on it, and then it asks you what type of function you are, type of equation you're doing into a simultaneous equation, 2 unknowns, and then type in the coefficients. If it's in graphing form, you just simply go to graph, and then graph this function and go g-solve intercept. I've also have a separate video for that. Just give it a heads up, you know. Well, that's all for this video. It's pretty simple and easy, pretty straightforward. So make sure to do some practice, because sometimes you can mess up with the positive and negative. It's really annoying. It makes the question completely wrong. Makes the answer completely wrong. You know? Okay, see you in the next video.